Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Storytime on Everyday English. This is episode 14. Today we will listen to the longest story yet. The story is about a brave girl named Sofia and her very important, very special mission to the market. She needs to find one perfect item. This story is clear, interesting, and easy to understand. We will listen very slowly. You will learn many new words about food, places, and feelings. Get ready to listen for a long time. Let's start the very, very long story. Sofia is a young girl. Sofia is exactly 12 years old. She has long, dark brown hair. She is wearing a bright pink dress and comfortable walking shoes. Sofia loves to cook and she loves to bake sweet things. Today is an extremely special day. Sofia wants to bake a big, beautiful, perfect cake for her grandmother's birthday. The special cake needs one very specific, one perfect, one extra sweet yellow orange. A perfect orange. It is the most important ingredient. It is 10 o'clock on a sunny morning. The air is fresh and warm. Sofia prepares herself and her equipment. She takes her small, strong woven basket. The basket is brown. She needs the basket to carry the special orange safely. She opens her small purse. She counts her 5 small coins. The coins are silver and shiny. She holds them tightly. Sofia says to herself, "My mission is clear. I must find the perfect yellow orange for the special cake." Sofia walks out of her small, comfortable house. The street is quiet. She walks to the big market. The market is far away. She walks for 20 long minutes. She keeps walking. She hears the many sounds of the city. Beep, beep. She sees many people walking, talking, and riding bikes. Sofia finally arrives at the big open market. The market is very, very loud. It is full of noise. It is full of bright colors. There are many long tables with food. The market smells like fresh flowers, warm spices, and sweet, fresh bread. The smell is wonderful. Sofia begins her search. She walks slowly and looks very carefully. She looks left, she looks right. She must find the perfect orange among all the fruit. First, Sofia sees the vegetables. There are big, round, red tomatoes. There is a long, green lettuce. There are many big, white potatoes. The man selling the vegetables is very tall. He smiles a big smile. Sofia smiles back gently. But Sofia does not need vegetables today. She must focus only on the perfect orange. Next, Sofia walks past the flower section. There are red flowers. There are pink flowers. There are beautiful yellow flowers. The flowers smell very sweet. They are beautiful to look at. Sofia thinks again. The flowers are lovely, but I need my special orange for the grandmother's cake. She walks and walks until she finds the fruit section. This area is the most colorful of all. She sees many round red apples. She sees long green grapes. She sees round purple plums. She sees long, bright yellow bananas. She walks to the first fruit table. She inspects the oranges. The oranges are large, but they are a little bit green on the top. They are not the perfect, fully yellow orange she needs. She walks to the second fruit table. She looks at the oranges again very closely. These oranges are small, and they have many little brown spots. Not the perfect orange. Sophia feels a little bit sad. Her mission is difficult. She thinks, I cannot find the perfect yellow orange for the special cake. Sophia decides to walk to the very last table in the entire market. This table is small and quiet. She sees a very old woman sitting behind the table. The woman has a kind, gentle smile. The woman has only a few items to sell. Sophia looks at the oranges on the small table. One orange is very bright yellow. It shines like a small sun. It is perfectly round. It is heavy. It is the perfect special orange. Sophia feels very excited. She says to the kind woman, "Hello, madam. I need this perfect, bright yellow orange for a very special cake." The old woman smiles very wide. She says this is a special orange. It costs 3 coins exactly. Sophia quickly counts her money. She counts 1, 2, 3 coins. Yes, she has enough. Sophia gives the 3 silver coins to the woman. The woman gives the perfect orange to Sophia. Sophia is extremely happy. Her mission is a success. She puts the perfect special orange carefully into her small woven basket. She holds the basket with both hands. She says, "Thank you very much for your help." She walks out of the market. She walks quickly but carefully. The mission is complete. She walks all the way home. She is thinking about the beautiful cake she will bake. When she gets home, she immediately washes the perfect yellow orange. She smells the orange. It smells wonderful and sweet. Sophia is ready to bake the beautiful special cake for her grandmother. She is a happy, successful, and smart girl. That was a very long and exciting story about Sophia's big mission to the market. We hope you enjoyed the long story of Sophia and the special orange. Listening to stories in English for a long time is the best way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you like this long video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday English for more great stories, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.